We've just arrived at something truly special, an ancient porcelain factory and museum, sitting quietly on the outskirts of Jinhua City in China. This beautifully preserved site is called Wuyao, and its official name says it all: Ancient Wuyao Fire. The moment you walk in, you can feel centuries of history in the air. This isn't just a museum, it was a living, breathing kiln site, where master craftsmen once shaped raw clay into some of China's most celebrated porcelain. So let's get inside and explore. How did these famous Chinese kilns actually work? How does a lump of raw material transform into a delicate, finished piece of pottery? We're about to find out. And we are very lucky today, because we have Victoria with us, our wonderful interpreter who knows this place inside and out. Victoria is going to walk us through everything.
For firing of those items, and its temperature inside is very high, almost and this boy is trying to put the glaze on the surface of this item. And we have two methods to glaze those items. One is we put those items into the water, and another is that boy he put the glaze on those items by that machine. One is by manual and another is by machine. Porcelain. The red color is used to maintain the color on the surface of those items to prevent the fading away of the color. For exquisite items, like this cup, before the cup need the holder. This area shows us that in some pieces there should be some holes to become the filter, so as to make those make some items can be wiped out. It's very very difficult. They are used as a filter. Three methods of the firing. The last step. One is by wood, one is by natural gas, and another one is by electricity. Because the amount of the wood will decide the temperature inside the oven. The more wood you put into the iron, the temperature will be higher. 重量、尺寸、长度都是有规定的。To accurately control the temperature inside the oven, we have to make sure the specification of those wooden are stipulated. They have stipulation in their lengths, their heights, their...
Incredible, isn't it? Thousands of years of tradition, still alive right here in Jinhua. And the story doesn't end here. We are taking you inside the museum in our next video, where we'll be showcasing centuries-old masterpieces that have survived the test of time. You truly do not want to miss that one. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow history or travel lover. We'll see you at the next destination.